How ChatGPT built my app in minutes. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can use ChatGPT to build an app for you. So to start things off, I'm simply going to be writing a prompt into ChatGPT. And before writing any prompt, you're going to want to, get an idea of what kind of game you want. So, there's different games. There could be checkers, chess, tic-tac-toe, etc. So for this example, I'm going to be going really simple. Let's go with tic-tac-toe, but you can obviously create any game you want. ChatGPT will provide it to you. So this is the prompt that you're going to want to write. So as you can see, I have written, write me a code for an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a tic-tac-toe game. So you're going to write that prompt in and you're going to click on enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT starts going ahead and creating a code. So first of all, it's going to write the HTML. Then it's going to write the CSS, which is obviously going to be the styling and sectioning, and then it's going to write the script.js. Now, to see if this code actually works, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to codepen.io and adding this code over here to actually run it. All right. So I'm going to first of all copy the HTML. I'm going to paste it here. And then we have the CSS. If the HTML does issues, you're going to see if, it's solvable. If it is, just go ahead and fix that. Now, once you've done that, add your CSS in like that. And once you've done that, you're going to finally add your JavaScript. So as you can see, the CSS has been added. I'm going to add this. And once everything is done, as you can see, look at that. So our tic-tac-toe game has started working. And once you do that, look at that. It says player X wins. So that is pretty much incredible. So as you can see, you can create apps like this. You can make it look much better. If you're into coding, you can make your CSS look cooler. Like, let's say you have this game container, right? You can add, instead of 5 gaps, you can add 9 gaps. So look at that. It looks broader. And you can obviously give it some different styles. You can give each cell different background colors. So let's say I want the background color to be red. So I'm going to write red color code. Okay, so this is the color code for red. I'm going to go ahead and quickly copy this. Come here. And we're just going to simply paste it over here. Like so. And we're going to wait for the processing to finish. And look at that. It changed the color, right? So pretty cool. So that is basically how you are going to be creating an app using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching till the end. And I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.